10 years ago, we were doing what everyone else did. Working full-time jobs, saving what we could, and waiting for someday. 3 weeks ago, at the age of 42, while world schooling through Central America with my kids, I quit my job. And I don't regret it for a second. Here's why. Back in 2015, we stumbled across a few ideas that completely changed how we thought about money. Mr. Money Mustache, the Choose FI podcast, J.L. Collins' The Simple Path to Wealth, and the book Quit Like a Millionaire. We learned that wealth wasn't about earning more. It was about needing less and investing early. So we made a decision. From that year on, we'd save and invest half of everything we earned. We maxed out our 401ks, our 403bs, our 457bs, our IRAs, and our HSAs. Every dollar had a job. We stopped trying to time the market and just bought broad-based index funds, mostly VTI or equivalent. These are Vanguard's whole stock market index funds where you have a tiny piece of every company in the US market. In 2015, we literally had zero savings, zero invested. After a few years of consistent investing, something incredible happened. We hit Coast FI. That's when your investments have grown enough that even if you stop adding money, they'll continue compounding until you can retire comfortably later. You don't have to save aggressively anymore. Just cover your living expenses and let time do the work. It's the moment where financial dependence stops being a dream and starts being a lifestyle choice. We didn't want to wait until traditional retirement age to live differently, so we downsized our home, sold most of our stuff, and hit the road with our 2 preschoolers. For the last 2 years, we've been traveling the US in our RV, exploring national parks, and working part-time. Eventually, we realized we could take this lifestyle global. So far, we've spent 3 months in Portugal with Boundless Life, and 2 months in Bocas del Toro, Panama, through Coley. We're world schooling our kids, working remotely from beach cafes, and learning what freedom really feels like. We still work, but only on projects we actually care about. We're going on a mission to collect some sloth leaves today. How many leaves are you going to collect, Cooper?
100.
Oh, great. I'll be great for the sloths. The rest of the time, we're learning together, as a family. We may not be retired in the traditional sense, but we've retired from the mindset that says your worth is tied to your job title. We traded our 9-to-5 routines for curiosity, community, and time, our most valuable currency. Financial independence doesn't mean quitting life, it means designing it. And Coast FI is the perfect middle ground. You don't have to wait for millions. You just need enough to let time do the rest. For us, that freedom looks like slow travel, world schooling, and time together. What would it look like for you? We're the Wandering Herd, and this is just the beginning of our life after FI.
Subscribe and join us as we escape the norm together.